So this week, guys, you have a quiz. It will be on Saturday at 12 p.m. Okay, it will be open for only 1 hour. Very important note. هلا بكتبهم للنوتس عن the quiz. I will write them down. But before to go to the quiz material, I want to talk about your project. So basically next week, let me show you. So we already done with debugging and done with introduction to programming here. Okay. Next week, we'll continue working on the project. So everything in the semester, what is left, what is remaining in the semester 2 will be to continue our project, your projects, okay? Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay, and the project, the ones that you did started in semester 1, you will be continue working on it here. So let me show you something.
استاذ كم لسن باقي لتخلص الاب كله؟
Basically 3. So you see, this is what I have done in lesson 4. Okay, it's random because I was not like actually building application. I was just teaching you. We will be talking next week about each of these element, why we use them and how to use them. Okay, and you can start program your own application. So you can start link your pages together and make more sense about buttons, text, and all of these. Okay. Okay, so I still have Ali Khalifi, Celia Shogri, Hassan Al-Asal, Ibrahim Tairik, Michael Wilson. Sam Shahimi did not do anything for the designs. So in other words, you cannot work with us next week on this. Do I have any of these students? Celia is here. Ibrahim Tariq is not here. Michael is here. Sam is here. Guys, speak up. Michael, let's start with you. Can you hear me? Michael? No, Michael. Type Celia. No, Celia. Ali is not here. Type, I said it. Well, please, guys, if you have any update on the design, you can do it anytime. You go here. Yani, the design you did it, it's not yet finalized. You can go back again and again to lesson 4, level 3. Okay? Lesson 4, level 3. You can make any update for the design. Okay? In case you want to add more button, more screen, more stuff, you can always do it. Good?
Very good.
Okay. I already said that no, the majority of your semester 2 grade will be on the project. Okay? يعني الquiz is in only to cover what is some lessons like the ones we're doing. Okay, so we already said we covered programming language, we covered debugging. Okay, so your quiz will be only about programming, and I might give you only one question about debugging, like definition of debugging or some simple programs that has an error. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to the worksheet. I have different program here, and I want you all to tell me on each program what is going on. Okay. So starting with the first one, what does console.log do?
It displays text in the workspace.
Exactly. مين اللي حكى فاطمة أو هي فاطمة صح؟ So it display messages in the workspace, or we call it a log. It only
console display اسمه صح؟
اسمها console display. So it only display messages in the workspace, as Fatima said, or we call it a log. Okay. Does it do anything to the application?
No.
No, it
No.
does not do anything to the application. Okay.
Okay.
So here what will happen?
The application will show text hi.
Those messages will be displayed in the console display.
All of these messages will be displayed in the console log. Okay. So let me show you how. You see, this is what we call here, where I'm drawing is the console log, is the log, and or we call it workspace, we call it the debugging console. Okay. Good. So every time I add the console.log, it will only print here messages. It will not do anything to the application. Okay. So it will not do anything for the application. Only print messages here. Okay. So if I click run now, we will have hello, welcome to grade year 10. Okay. You see, this is hello, this is welcome to grade 10. And we already learned what does the console, debugging console or the log console help us do?
شو أستاذ؟
What does the debugging console, our console, help us do? So this space, what does it help us doing? I'm going to give you a hint. For example, let me say.
It tells us what's happening with the code.
So if I print this, if I do this, what will happen?
Nothing.
No, we will have something. Error. Where the error will be displayed?
Because there are no
In the
quotation
debugging
marks.
console.
In the debugging console. This is why we call it debugging console. Okay, so it has track of the code. You see, we have here error. We cannot figure out what hello is. Okay, so we need to put it between double quotation to print the text. Okay.
Okay.
So it helps us finding or keep track of the error. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Type. Let's go to next question. Do you have all papers copybook or papers with you?
No.
Type. Bring one and try solving second one. Send it. I will allow you all to send messages on WhatsApp.
مش بعتناهم هو أستاذ.
That's what
بس
are we
مش
meant to
الكل،
solve.
نتأكد إنه الكل إنه سافا تمام.
أنا بعت
إيه
لك
شو لازم نعمل solve؟
Solve this question.
تقول شو عم يصير بهالكود. هو الكود.
كيف خلي الكل يبعت messages؟
ما فهمت السؤال، كيف يعني بقول كيف خلي كل
مثل
شو
ما
يعمل؟
عملنا بأول وحدة كان في بس console.log فبنقول إنه عم يعملوا display بال console display. هلا في هون صفر.
اوكي.
بدك تقول شو عم يصير بالآب.
Okay, guys, you can now send on the group. Send me your answers, okay? You have 5 minutes to do this.
أستاذ مش بعت لك الأنسر كله للشيت.
لا اللي مش باعت هيك قصدي. اللي باعت الشيت عادي عندك إياه قدامك.
طب استاذ رجع لي شوف شو عم بصير.
يلا.
أستاذ نحن اللي بعتنا لك إياها برايفت، ضروري نرجع نبعتها على الجروب.
بعتوا بس جواب هيدي اللي قادر.
أوكي.
يا محمد. يلا anyone.
طب ما اتركها على السكرين يا استاذ لنشوف.
Guys, learn how to do things in bullet points, okay? So Fatima, your answer is not wrong, but it can be better. Yalla, I'm going to wait for some answers. Yalla. Okay, heck, exactly heck we do. Okay. So Fatima, this is not wrong. Okay, can you see, guys? So first, start the program. Set the background color of big button to blue. Set the height of big button to 200. Then display on the big button. It's a big button, and end the program. Okay. So this is not wrong. I'm not saying this is wrong, but this is.
لازم نعملها listing.
كيف resting؟
listing
listing exactly. ما هي إنه تمشوا step by step with the program. It's better. Okay.
اوكي.
هيك أحسن لكم، هيك ما بتغلطوا. You don't do mistakes و it's better for you to read. Okay. Good. So this question, and basically this is the answer of it. Also this is right. بس هون في one mistake. مين بيقول لي هون شو المistake؟ Who can tell me what the mistake here?
بهيدي أو بهيدي؟
هيدي مش الهايت، هيدي السايز اوف ذا بutton.
برافو. هون يعني لازم يحدد البutton big button. وبعد في another mistake. Basically
برقم
same
5
mistake.
مش مبلش
عايدة
بكتبة لك.
background color of the big button كمان.
نفس
و5
المستيك عايدة هون وهون. اوكي. So you just need make background color for the big button blue. هون the height of big button blue. هون correct وهون correct. اوكي.
اوكي استاذ.
برافو. So let's try to do the next one. Next one it's a bit tricky. شو حيصير هون؟ What will happen؟ يلا.
نبعت
كمان نبعت answers.
ايه. So take 5 minutes. هون is think of it slowly. في trick هون in the question.
استاذ بعت بس بعتقد غلط.
مين؟ أحمد عودة؟
ايه.
اوكي غلط. فكر فيها ارجع.
اي واحدة هي الفور يا استاذ ولا
لا الفور منك مش شايف شيء منها.
فكرت انه قصدك نعملها بقول لك نزعل. اوكي هيدي
الفانكشن الخضراء هي اللي غيرت الاشياء. شو
100%. This is what make things a bit different.
نسيت شو بتعمل والله.
ما this is what I was telling you. You guys could come here to code.org and try these codes. يعني فيكم انتو simply every single that I have here.
ما انا عرفت حل الورك شيت بس شفت الفيديو انت كنت عم تجربهم وهيك.
ما فيكم تجربوهم انتو. ما انا المبدأ انكم تجربوا انتو لحالكم. سهلين صدقني سهلين بس بدهم براكتس هيدول.
ايه استاذ هلا فينا نجرب نعمل الاب كلها وخلاص هيك نكون خلصنا.
ما بدكم تعرفوا تستعملوهم لهدول لتقدر تعمل الاب.
ما في فيديوهات على يوتيوب بيعلموها.
بلا ما انا حاعملكم فيديوهات. قصدك actual real app
ايه
on Android و iOS. This require high skills in programming.
انت عامل وحده استاذ؟
أنا I did part of it, not all of it. I have my own application. But I did not do all the coding by myself.
بس انت صار لك زمان بروجرامينج
4-5 سنين. less كمان 3 سنين بدك تقول 3 years.
يعني
يلا اني
الاب اللي
انسر.
عاملينها الاب اللي عاملينها المدرسه هي اكيد بدها بروجرامينج انت عاملها؟
لا مش انا عامل تاعت المدرسه.
والله
استاذ الصورة الثانية من أول.
رجعنا اياها شوي.
كمان نو.
استاذ انا عم برجع عيدها هلا بس فيك ترجع لنا اياها شوي للكود.
هي رجعتها. I will give you hint here. on event هيدي more like a condition. In case I press the big button, it will implement everything inside it. But as I did not press it, it will not implement anything. Okay, so this is, you need to take it into consideration. نو كمان. مين اللي
غلط.
بعت ايديه؟ فاطمة. يعني انت هون عم تجزمي انه كبسنا البيج بutton. This is what I'm telling you. You cannot like make sure انه we did press the big
لازم
button.
نحط if أو in case.
Okay, this is one way to do it.
استاذ رجع شوي بس.
بس انا بهمني first messages what will be on the screen on the log مثلا.
starting my program أول شيء.
شو قصة هاي الفانكشن؟ هي اللي خربت كل شيء. استاذ ذكرنا الفانكشن شو بتعمل بنعرف نحلها.
In case I click the big button, it will implement everything here.
يعني صارت انه وان كليك بتقدر تعمل كل هون.
If you did not click on this, what will happen?
ما بيصير شيء منه.
None of
يلا
them will
فيش.
get implemented.
Okay, so let me guys solve it. Okay, so let's think how this program will be compiled. نحن قلنا we did say إنه it goes from line 1 to line 8, step by step, line by line, correct?
Yes.
يعني the program will be read the first line, will actually read the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, and 8. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so first line it will print. So basically it will print starting my program. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, now it will read. It will read on event and everything inside it. Then it will print ending my program. Okay, good.
Yes.
هلا بنجي لهون in case we press the button, the big button will change its background to blue, its height to 200, display.
استاذ هايت ولا سايز؟
height. هون we're being more specific. Display message. Now it's a bigger button. Okay. Then it will display what you click the button. Okay. So basically هيك انتوا حتشوفوا بالبروجرام. حتشوفوا starting my program, ending my program. In case I press the button, هيدول will be implemented. If not, nothing will happen. Only this will be shown. I'm going to show you this program actually how it works. Okay, so let's say okay. So let's call this big button. Good. So set property here, big button, big button. خليهم. Okay, so check with me, guys. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, if I click run, focus with me. Oops, why not? Focus with me here, okay? First, so if I click run, it will read the first line. It will read on event. Okay, I have an error here. So what is the error? On event, big button. So it will read here. Then it will read on event. So you see, we have starting my program, ending my program, first displayed. Okay, هلا the program is ready. Nothing will happen if I did not click on the big button. Okay, if I click on the big button, what will happen now?
بصير البيج بutton الباك جراوند كولر اللي لها راد.
Okay, so
بصير
you see
الهايت
now
اللي
it's red, higher, changing in the
وبيكتبوا
text
text now
to
it's red.
finally background is red. Okay,
صح.
you see this is how on event
يعني أول
works.
شيء it displays ending my program قبل ما نكبس على البutton.
Basically it displays
starting the program
everything
بالأول.
outside the on event.
function.
okay.
يعني it implement in other words it implement everything outside the on event. ماشي. So let me do another one. For example, خلي لي هيدا text. So in case I have an on event here, let me set property here to screen one background color green. So now what will happen?
السكرين الباكجراوند كولر اللي إلها حتتغير بس نكبس run.
First, it will print start my program. Then it will change the background color of the screen.
Then we should click on the big button.
Then ending my
ending
program. Okay, وبعدين it will wait. If I click on the big button, things will happen. If not, nothing will happen. Okay, so check, guys. Starting my program, changing of the background. Now ending my program here will show. You see? In case I did press on the big button, some other things will happen that are inside the on event. Okay?
أستاذ
Yes.
لما بين background now is red لا مش green.
أنت هون you can say anything you want. You can say anything you want. Okay? Good day.
ما هو الباك بutton ما هو
Okay.
البيج button حيصير red.
No,
مش
basically this is an example and I was trying different things.
had background color للسكرين.
So now if I click, so you see you can say anything you want. Easy? So this is the hardest basically question on the quiz will be, it is something like this. Will quiz, it's like this, these codes, some of these codes will be similar to these codes. So you have to tell me what's going on. Okay?
خلاص خلي الكويز استاذ بشيء خاصه بكود.org.
Okay,
يعني انه
Code.org you have to like